Are your shift managers spending hours a week updating shifts and printing out new paper schedules? How do your frontline employees feel about commuting to work on their days off just to view their upcoming shifts on a bulletin board? Manual shift communication is not only slow and ineffective, but also results in shift absenteeism, employee turnover, and managerial burnout. On top of that, when you have low morale and not enough employees to cover all the work in a shift, productivity and efficiency suffer. Here's how you can make shift coordination and communication hassle-free for your frontline teams. Digitizing shift schedules with updates in real time, providing shift flexibility, making shift handover seamless, and integrating with your current shift scheduling tools. Optimize scheduling from the start by collecting employee shift availability. After building the schedule, there's no need to print it out ever again. Employees can access their shift information with the tap of a button on their mobile devices. It's as easy as that. Need to make changes? Employees are automatically notified that their shift has changed. Eliminate situations where a team member missed their shift because they didn't know when it was. Your employees want the ability to easily swap shifts or even pick up extra hours. By not providing shift flexibility, you are likely experiencing higher employee burnout and turnover. With Beekeeper, you can handle shift swaps in minutes instead of hours. Employees can message their teammates, and after finding someone to swap with, request a shift swap. Their manager is automatically assigned a task to review the request. After updating the schedule, both employees receive push notifications with their new shifts. And voila, shift swapping from A to Z in just one app. Need to fill a shift at the last minute because an employee is out sick? Open up shifts for workers who want the extra hours and improve your shift coverage. Employees can claim shifts with 2 clicks and see their schedule updated in real time. In addition to reducing shift stress with flexible scheduling and real-time updates, boost productivity by improving the transition process from one shift to the next. Ensure ongoing tasks aren't dropped after a shift change with digitized shift handover notes. Employees in the next shift can continue working on unresolved issues by referencing the handover notes that are tailored to their team or location. What if you already have a shift scheduling tool in place? That's not a problem with Beekeeper. Whether you build your shift schedules in Excel, UKG Dimensions, or UKG Ready, Beekeeper adds value by extending the tools and technologies you've already invested in to the front line. Learn more about how you can boost employee retention and productivity with shift coordination built for the front line. Schedule a call with one of our experts today.